So there were some big announcements revealed in the sneaker community today. Unfortunately, it took me a little bit to realize that today is April Fool's Day, so you can't trust all news, if any news, that is released today. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnEyeIVKicks. This morning got started off on a very excited note, only to quickly turn to pure disappointment. Guys, if you haven't already figured it out, today is April Fool's, and man, the sneaker community is heavy with the jokes today. So Z Sneakerhead on Instagram posted the most legitimate looking post about the Jordan 1 Chicago OGs that were dropping. They were scheduled to drop for April 31st, which should have been my first, little tip off, like, there's not that many days in April. On top of the fact that if this shoe was set to release this month, you know what the hype would have been? The hype would have been crazy for the past 6 months. Nobody would have been thinking about the UNC University Blue ones. That was my biggest tip off. But Z Sneakerhead is known for, having that inside information and letting everybody know, the shoes that are coming next, the date and everything. So initially I was like super excited, finally get to add these to my collection, but April Fools. And then that was followed up with an announcement that Kanye West agreed to allow Nike to re-release their Yeezys, with the Nike brand. And by that time, I was kind of shot. I gave a little bit of reaction, like, oh, all right, that's cool. And then I realized again, it's April Fool's Day. What is not an April Fool's joke is that big fat L your girl took on sneakers with those Change the World 9s. I'm telling you, I am so freaking upset. If you watch my videos, for a while I've been talking about these. Stupid. It's just also stupid sometimes, but whatever. On a good note, though, also not an April Fool's joke, is the Travis Scott 6s, the British khaki, that are getting ready to finally release. This has been a highly anticipated shoe. It is set to be a full size run. It is also at this time set to be released on April 29th. But as we all know by this time, these release dates are consistently getting pushed back. Again, there's not a whole lot of information regarding this shoe other than that at this time. So everybody just make sure you keep your eyes open. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos, because your girl will be providing any information she has on those 6s. Now, before I get to the unboxing, if you're new to the channel again, or if you haven't done so already, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I'm telling you guys, you do not want to miss anything. Hit that notification bell, like the video, and comment below. Give your girl some feedback and show some love. Without waiting any longer, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. This is a shoe that has given me the most anxiety since I ordered it. Yes, I mean even more anxiety than the Valentine's Day Air Force One love letters. If you are, already subscribed and you've watched my videos, especially the convention in Tampa, then you already know what is in this box. I probably picked it up half a dozen times. Guys, I can't even express my excitement right now. Literally sat by the door and listened for the UPS truck all friggin' day long. I could not risk that they deliver this to the wrong address for any reason. Well, I opened it upside down, but that's all right. So Anybody know this box? I know this box. I know that anytime I watch a YouTuber, anybody open up this box, I already know what's in it. Which is, it's actually a really dope box. I'm digging the graffiti. It's kind of got like a cement wall, like almost like a warehouse wall look to it. It's got, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of thought it was dusty, but I've never seen this in hand, the box. You guys see what that says? So excited. I gotta say, I think this shoe, as much as I wanted the Valentine's Day Air Force Ones, I think this shoe may have topped it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at this. You see this? Do you see this beautifulness of a shoe? Like, I just, you know, I'm having a really hard time processing that this shoe is actually mine. I love how different it is. I love the bold pop of orange. I am a sucker for pops of orange on my sneakers. I love that it's got like the bungee cord, the bright neon greenish yellow bungee cords right here for a super different twist. It's a very, very industrial vibe to it. So it almost gives an off-white vibe due to the industrial look. But again, it is that ready-made, super dope. It's got the recycled materials at the bottom, the kind of like almost bubbly look of the midsole around it. Yeah, the blazer ready-made it's a really dope shoe. It's like a piece of art. It's like a sculpture, you know, and kind of goes into what I love. You know, it's all about the details, an eye for kicks, an artistic eye, all of that fun stuff. And the paper in the box is actually pretty cool too. It's all like, it looks artsy, but I think it's actually like almost like a landfill or something with all the garbage and stuff. I don't know. It's really dope. I mean, they could have just stopped at the dope shoe, but they went all the way with the paper and the box and everything that goes with it. So I am so excited to wear this shoe. Your girl's gonna be stunting around the mall a little bit, you know, do my thing. But yeah, I'm super, super excited. So again, yeah, super excited to have the Nike Blazer ready-mades now in the collection. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I wanted to be able to share the unboxing of such a personally highly anticipated shoe, get that, you know, honest, genuine reaction. And now it's on to the next. Tune in next time to see what I've got my eye on next.